Hello, and welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available. CleanProject enables you to clean the contents of a folder in order to remove any files that are no longer linked to the project being processed. Specify the name of the project to be sorted. To select several assemblies, click on this button. Select the directory to be cleaned. Tick or untick the search options for the reference files or drawings. Next, specify the name of the directory into which the files will be moved. And finally, it is possible to define the extension of the files to manage. For example, .sldprt for part files, .sldasm for assembly files, or even all SOLIDWORKS files with the extension .sld. By unticking this option, you can also display the files excluded by the above-mentioned extension. For example, if the directory to be cleaned contains non-SOLIDWORKS files, they will appear in the list but as unticked items. If this option is selected, they will not be listed and therefore will not be moved. The left-hand section shows the structure of the assembly and associated files. The right-hand section shows the list of files to be moved. All that's left is to specify the directory in which the backup folder will be created, containing all the moved files. If the files were initially found in specific directories, it is possible to retain this structure if necessary. Only the files concerned by the selected project remain. All other files have been moved.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.